I made this beautiful loaf of bread in a casserole dish. We're making homemade bread today. We're going to make the easiest bread recipe. I've got 5½ cups of bread flour, and I just used the Aero Mills bread flour. It's all I could find at the store. Maybe everybody's in a bread mood. So I have 5½ cups. I have 2 cups of warm water, about 80 to 90 degrees. And we're going to put in 2½ teaspoons of yeast. And I'm using quick rise yeast. I made bread for years, so I thought today we'd start off with the easiest bread that I know how to make. And this is the 3-ingredient bread that will blow your mind. But I like my yeast to bloom. A lot of people say you don't have to, but I just do because I want it to bloom up in that warm water. And that means it's foaming up and getting ready to go into our flour. We need 1½ teaspoons of salt, and we're not going to put it in our yeast. We're just going to put it right in our flour. 1½ teaspoons. We're just going to go ahead and start spooning this salt around in our bread flour. Without salt, your bread will taste horrible, okay? I mean, it will taste, you're going to have to throw it away. It is that bad. And how do I know that? Because I have forgot to put salt in it before, and it was so horrible. Many years of trial and error, guys. Okay, now let's start pouring this right in. Make sure we get it all. And I like to use a little spatula. Okay, we are just going to just mix it around. We're not going to knead it or anything. We're just going to mix it around. It will be very sticky, but we are going to get it all good and combined. We're going to cover this with plastic wrap. Okay, I'm going to stick this in the microwave for about 1.5 hours, and we're going to come back and bake bread. This is so easy, you can do it. We're just going to let that double in size. And I want to say thank you guys for praying for my dad. He's home and he's doing well. He's still sick, but he's doing better. I love my apron that my parents gave me. It says, "Oh my gosh." And like I say, that's all I ever say. I got these strawberries. They're frozen. I got them at the strawberry farm, and I just froze them in a container, and when I need them, because I didn't want them to go bad, they cost too much, and they're fresh picked. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take and put in 2 cups of sugar. This is 2 cups of strawberries. We want the same, if we've got 1 cup of strawberries, we put 1 cup of sugar. If we've got 2 cups of strawberries, we put 2 cups of sugar. And we want just a little bit of lemon juice, probably about a tablespoon. Okay? All right, so we're going to set this on the stove, and it's going to start cooking and rendering down, and it's going to be beautiful. That's it. We're going to put it on the stove, and those strawberries will start thawing out, and it's going to be great. See, those juices are starting to fall off, and that sugar. Oh my goodness. It's going to be so good. As we do cook this on low heat, look at that. We don't want anything to burn or scorch. We're cooking on a low heat with no gelatin or anything. We're just going to just keep it stirring and cook it on low. Kind of like a medium low. Okay guys, see that pink foam? We don't want that. We don't want that pink foam. So what we're going to do is I have a little glass bowl, And I'm going to take, and I'm going to start taking that foam and putting it right in that glass bowl. We don't want to hit the juices, we just want that foam. Stir it around, go right back in. See all the foam we got off of those strawberries? We don't want that. We don't want that on our strawberries. I bet those strawberries would be great on that homemade bread. Guys, you're gonna believe, your mind's gonna be blown when you see this bread. You're just not gonna believe how simple and easy this bread is. We have let our strawberries cool. Just gonna put it right in. Look at what I got. Did you think I forgot it? Oh no, we're gonna finish this off. Oh my goodness. Look at that dough. Look how beautiful it is. Look at all the little holes in it. It's risen 2 to 3 times its normal size. This is a beautiful dough. Okay, now we're just gonna bust it down a little bit, kind of break it down. I'm gonna just fold it over. We don't even have to touch the bread. I'm gonna take a little bit of flour and just kind of sprinkle on it. Now we're gonna just pop it right in. It's gonna fall right in. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of flour over the top. And see, when you touch it, it just pulls away, and that's what we want. It rise for about 30 minutes. We're not going to touch it for about 30 minutes. Okay, look at our bread. See how it's risen? It's all on the sides. This is going to be a beautiful loaf of bread. Okay, we're just going to kind of cut the, kind of give it a little design. We're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 30 minutes. Doesn't have to be covered, anything. 30 minutes, guys. It's going to blow you away. Look at that loaf of bread. I didn't need not one bit of it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. 30 minutes. That's all you need. 30 minutes to make this delicious bread. Wait till you try it. It's hot. Let's take it out off the parchment paper. Look at that. That is a loaf of bread made in a casserole dish, guys. It's hot. Put it on that. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And it's gonna crack. We're gonna let it sit here for a few minutes, and then we are gonna cut it. Put some strawberries on it. Strawberry season. Ooh, I love that. We're gonna cut it. Okay, guys. It's still hot. Wow, look at that. My husband loves the end piece, so we're going to save that for him. Look at that bread. Perfect, perfect. We're going to try it. That bread is so good. Crunchy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. Guys, you can make this. You can make this bread. You can do this in your house. You can treat your house. You can bring luxury. You can block the world out of your house. Make it peaceful, joyful, in the midst of chaos. You can make a loaf of homemade bread. Have some peaceful music playing or your favorite old movie. Make you some bread. Make you some strawberries or just open a jar of jam. Oh my goodness. You just won't believe it. You just won't believe it, guys. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful